my channel. My name is Yashika and today I am gonna show you how you can make 6 different types of friendship bands. The designs are very unique and simple to make. Hope you guys like it. So let's get started. The first band I am going to take 3 different colored embroidery threads and going to measure them according to my wrist. Fold them thrice and cut it. I am going to fold it in half. Repeat the same steps for the other colors as well. Now make a knot on the top. The size of the knot should be a little bigger because we need this thread to tie it on the hand. Now we are going to start braiding the thread as we do it for our hair. If you don't know how to braid, then you can surely take help of your mother or your sister. Now make a knot when you are done with the braiding step. But do leave some space at the end because as I told you earlier that we need this space to tie it on our hand. Now cut the loop part and spread the threads. You can even use a comb. Do it for the other side as well. You can also trim off some threads. Now I am going to stick BFF letters on it. I have used glitter paper. You can even write your name or your best friend's name. Our first band is done. Now for the next band, I am going to use 1 cm thick strips. I cut them off from a A4 size paper. I am going to use 2 colors, so stick those together. And above that, I am going to stick these different color strips. You can see it clearly now. Now take the strips on the outside and fold it inside by making a triangle. Whichever strip is outside, I am going to fold it in and repeat it. Stick the ends together and cut the extra part. Our second band is ready as well. Now for the next one, I am going to use rainbow colored quilling strips and make a tight coil out of it. I am also going to add 2 white colored tight coils at both the ends. Make sure that the tight coil is very tight. Apply glue on the back of the tight coil. Now place the tight coils on the ribbon and stick them. I would suggest that you use thin ribbon for this band. Starting from the red color, I am going to write friends. Our quilling friendship band is ready. For the next one, we need glitter papers, scissors, ribbon, beads and glue. So at first I have taken a blue colored rectangle paper. On that I am going to stick pink colored rectangle paper. It is half centimeter smaller from each side. And on that I am going to stick silver colored BFF letters. Again, from the silver colored paper, I am going to cut small triangles. I will paste these on the corner of blue paper. So now I am going to take beads and stick them. One bead on the length and two beads for the breadth. Attach the ribbon at the back, and the fourth band is also ready. I also made these two bands off camera. That's it for today, guys. Hope you guys liked it and will surely try the ideas very soon. Also let me know in the comment box below that if you have any ideas for me, and will surely check them out. Do subscribe to my channel, do like, share this video, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.